Hello friends, we are back with another video on taxable income under UAE Corporate Tax.
Still confused how to calculate your taxable income?
Don't worry, we are here to help you understand how to calculate a taxable income step by step.
Step 1. Determine your accounting income. This will be based on financial statement as per IFRS.
Should your financial statements be audited to determine the taxable income?
The answer is no. But if you are qualifying free zone person or if your revenue more than 50 million, then your financial statements should be audited.
Step 2. Make the following adjustments.
First point, add back these deductions which are not allowable under tax purposes,
Such as bribes, fines, penalties, donations to non-qualifying public benefit entities,
dividend or profit distribution,
corporate tax or any other foreign tax,
capital expenditures,
expenditures which are not incurred for your business.
expenditures incurred in deriving exempt income.
Second, deduct these incomes which are not allowable for tax purposes.
Exempt income such as qualifying dividend and capital gains,
Income arising on intra-group transfers,
incentives and tax reliefs. Third point, now make the following adjustments.
eliminate unrealized gains and losses unless you make the election to use realization basis.
Make transfer pricing adjustments on transaction with related parties.
Apportion dual purpose expenditure, that is expenditure which is incurred both for personal and business purposes.
Eliminate ineligible or previous tax losses.
Add back half of the entertainment expenditure.
Cap interest expenditure to 30% of EBITDA,
4. Make these other adjustments in specific cases,
such as transfers within qualifying groups.
claiming business restructuring relief.
A partner in an unincorporated partnership.
One point to note here is that there is no specific provision regarding calculation of tax depreciation.
Accordingly, depreciation charged in the books will be allowable for tax purposes.
So we hope now you have completely understood how a taxable income is calculated.
If you have any doubt, let us know in the comments. If you like this video,
Then give a thumbs up.
stay tuned.